Welcome back. Breaking news coming in. Glory at the Tokyo Paralympics. India's Avni Lekhara wins the gold medal in the women's 10-meter air rifle event. Prime Minister Modi congratulated Avni, saying, phenomenal performance. Congratulations on winning a hard-earned and well-deserved gold. That is the word coming in from Prime Minister Modi as India gains more glory at the Tokyo Paralympics. Yogesh Kathunia also wins a silver in discus. Nishad Kumar won the silver in high jump on Sunday, and Bhavina Patel silver in table tennis also was clinched. In that table tennis final. We are on that roaring push when it comes to the Tokyo Paralympics, now clinching a gold in the women's 10-meter air rifle event. I'm joined by Anand Narasimhan on the broadcast. Anand, good morning. Great news coming in from the Tokyo Paralympics. India has now clinched that critical gold in the women's 10-meter air rifle event, and Prime Minister Modi, like he did with the Olympic Games, his personal touch to all the athletes, congratulating them personally for making India proud.
Well, absolutely. It's a historic moment, and what a proud moment for the country. If Tokyo 2020 was India's best ever at the Olympics in terms of the show, this Paralympics 2020 is going to go much better. And Avni Lekhara has become the first Indian woman in Paralympics to win a gold. This is historic. She's just 20 years old, born in 2001. She actually has equaled the world record to get the gold. She's beaten the Chinese and she held her calm. The way she has performed is phenomenal. She's a talent to reckon with. At the age of 15 itself, she had won the silver at the World Cup. In 2019, she secured qualification into Tokyo 2020 with the silver again at the World Cup in Osaka. And she's just gone on from strength to strength. This Jaipur girl has made India proud. Her coach, Chandan Singh, her family, everybody will be so proud of her achievement. All of India is proud of this achievement. She's the first Indian woman in Paralympics to win a gold, and she's done it in the AR rifle in the event. She was just phenomenal. She kept her calm, and she's just 20 years old, Ayushman, and to our viewers, just 20 years old, and what a talent. And India is going on from strength to strength. There is so much activity in track and field right now. Yogesh Kathunia getting us silver in the discus. There are three of them in the hunt for a podium finish. Let's hope all three of them finish on the podium as far as the javelin is concerned, with Ajit Singh, Sujit, and of course Devendra Jhadaria present there. So there is so much to take away from this entire Paralympics team and this contingent which is gone. And each of them, there have been achievers, gold medalists who have also part of it in the past Olympics, and they want to go better this time around. And Avni's just paved the way. This is perhaps first of the many more gold that we should get.
Absolutely, Anand. Anand, at the same time, we saw it was the biggest ever haul at the Tokyo Games, and now the medals are just pouring in from the Paralympics. Are we seeing that revolution in Indian sport just continuing and making the country proud, putting us on that global level to become a global sports superpower in the coming years?
Well, we have to wait and watch, because there are many. If you have been tracking the youth games, if you've been tracking the Carter games, which are happening across the world, we are doing well. India is performing at every level, in every stage, in every sport. So in Paris, we should have a much better haul. The target itself set by the contingent, and many of these athletes who have qualified, for whom it was the first Olympic experience, they have all said that they want to get at least 20 medals. But the para athletes have always set the standard. They have always been very, very committed. Perhaps flying under the radar or in the shadows of Olympics per se, but our para-athletes have already set world standards. So, and this time around, with the team, the contingent, and the government working very, very closely with them, the top scheme, and also the investment for the training of the para-athletes, identifying the medal hopefuls, there has been a lot of effort. This is our largest contingent that is going for the Para 2020. So there is a huge expectation, and all of them want to deliver. And out of them, there are some very, very seasoned, experienced athletes, and in the contingent are first-timers, those who are just going there raw, young, and full of talent and full of confidence. And Avni is one of them. It is her first Olympic experience, and she has finished off the podium, equaling the world record, becoming the first Indian woman to win a para gold. It's just a proud moment for the country, and we should all celebrate. Let's just hope, and I very, very sincerely hope that this is just the beginning of a very, very rich medal haul. Today seems to be a good day, because we've started on a very, very positive note.
Absolutely. I'm also joined by Ashok Sharma on the broadcast, who's live with Avni's family. Ashok, over to you.
बॉस इसमें कोई शक नहीं कि देखिए इंडिया के लिए बहुत ग्रेट मोमेंट है, प्राइड मोमेंट है। अभी हमारे साथ अवनी लखेरा के फादर हैं जो हमारे साथ एक्सक्लूसिवली मौजूद हैं। हम इनसे बात करने का प्रयास करते हैं। बॉस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फ्रॉम न्यूज 18 नेटवर्क CNN.
Thank you.
हाउ डू यू फील नाउ?
I am feeling very excitement and very happy. And I think कि it was happened first time in India कि when a girl female win a medal, gold medal.
So now
Never before.
how do you celebrate when she will come back to India?
We will go for outing and we will celebrate a grand party.
आपको लखेरा साहब उम्मीद थी कि अवनी कहीं ना कहीं भारत के लिए मेडल लेके आएगी, और खास तौर से क्या उम्मीद थी कि गोल्ड मेडल लेके आएगी?
I was sure कि there will be medal, but gold medal was not expecting from me. But she did very hard work in practices and with past so many months she was practicing very hard.
How was the journey for Avni so far since she met an accident in 2020?
There was a car accident in 2012 and she was paralyzed below waist and went in very introvert position and did not talk so much. Then I tried to come out of her shell and took her in shooting range and she practiced there and she was happy. Then I continued.
Since her mother is there with Avni in Tokyo, so after winning the medal, in gold medal, did you speak to her?
No, till now I want to speak, but I am trying to connect her phone. I think she will talk me afternoon.
देखिए लगातार इनके पास कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस के लिए कॉल्स आ रही हैं। अभी हम पिछले आधे घंटे से इन्हीं के साथ मौजूद हैं और पिछले आधे घंटे से ऑलमोस्ट 100 कॉल्स ही हैज रिसीव्ड। मीडिया पर्सन्स हैं यहाँ पर, सभी लोग इनसे बात करना चाह रहे हैं क्योंकि अवनी लखेरा की जो अचीवमेंट रही वो ना केवल रिमार्केबल रही बल्कि एक शानदार अचीवमेंट रही है। उससे न केवल उनके पेरेंट्स बल्कि पूरे श्री गंगानगर वासी, पूरे मरुधरा वासी, पूरे भारतवासी इस समय सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं इस मोमेंट को, चूंकि इंडिया के लिए ये गोल्ड मोमेंट है, प्राइड मोमेंट है। जी,
Absolutely, Ashok. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast, and thank you to Avni's family also for joining us on the broadcast and sharing their story as their daughter has made the entire nation proud. These are stories from small town India overcoming innumerable odds to make this nation proud. Para athletes setting the standard and inspiring people across this country. Prime Minister Modi himself lauding Avni's efforts, becoming the first woman to bag a gold at the Paralympics.